Tired of navigating your pocket option trading platform in a language you don't fully understand? Let's unlock the full power of your account by switching it to English in under 2 minutes. First, locate and click on your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner of your pocket option dashboard. This will open up a drop-down menu with various account-related options. From the drop-down menu, identify and select the settings option. This will take you to a dedicated screen where you can customize your platform experience. Now, on the settings page, look for the language or language settings section. You'll likely see a drop-down menu or a list of available languages. Click on the current language displayed and a list of available languages will appear. Scroll through this list until you find English, then select it. Once you've chosen English, you'll usually see a Save or Apply button somewhere on the page. Click this button to confirm your language change. And just like that, your pocket option trading account is now set to English. You can now confidently explore all the platform's features and trading tools with crystal clear understanding. Happy trading!